go around there.
No, but this is go see.
Don't let me go see.
Yeah.
They're going barefoot. I mean, him understand.
They want to feel it. They want to be a part of it. Some people say that.
It's drippy, man. Full of drippy, man. Full of drippy. There's a big hole somewhere to the left of it. Right there?
Keep over here.
The hole is right here. Let's go. Yeah, so far it's exciting, man.
Surprisingly, I'm not scared.
Not so bad. You should have recorded my camera. Should I use my camera?
just pleasantly cold. Yo, I love it. Really good. It's vlog-tastic. Islanders, whenever you guys travel to Jamaica or you're already here, please come to Dunn's River.
Yeah. I got it.
Right?
Cool, you doing that? If you drop under, just bounce back up.
go for her.
Huh?
Yeah, you have to go for the two of us. You have to go for the two of us.
Sit down here. Step your legs out. Go. Bro, that was good.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, hold on.
I'm gonna catch you.
Oh my god.
I had to catch her, guys. But I love that she was brave and she actually did it. Thumbs up.
Oh my god.
was good.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. Look at this guy. It's like, how can you not like this? Yeah, Jamaica is freaking awesome, man. Really awesome. Can you hit that come up ahead?
Yeah. The pieces and all that. Yeah. There are steps you can walk. Very easy.
I hope I captured that, that looks so cool. Like, hit that up ahead. Angie! You miss out! Of course, you know we're doing that too.
You gotta go with her.
Yeah, I ain't going by myself.
Together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not going by myself. Hold on to
Just
me
drop
tight.
back way.
You just hug her. You hug him. Okay, right. You're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, down.
Wow.
That was good? That was awesome.
What was up my nose? What?
Yeah, so I messed up the cookie. Last one.
No, we're not. Then I went another course finger. But I will get it. I don't know if my...
What happened?
I think because I'm so cold and shivering, I don't know if my feet can keep up. It better work. I do squats for nothing.
There's so much to learn about this shit. So we pretty much just got done doing the whole walk. I think in the last maybe 5-10 minutes, like my memory card got really full. So that's something else I have to do. Get a really bigger memory card for my GoPro. But otherwise though, it was, I really enjoyed it. At one point I even had to use my vlog camera to go in the water. Like for that whole time I was like really nervous about it. But that's what I do for you guys, try to get the experience as much as I can and showcase it to you. And that's something else I want to do too. I want to get another camera just in case, always just in case. But we're gonna get ready and I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe take a few photos or something and then keep exploring Ochi. This is what?
This is my happy face. I know it looks kind of scary, but I'm like really, really happy.
I mean, it was good.
And even if you can't swim, it's definitely worth the experience. I can't swim and I did things that I thought I would never do in my life.
Yeah, that's the best thing about it. Mom, how was your experience?
It was an awesome experience.
Standing on the sidelines?
Yes, standing on the sidelines. So remember, when you come to Dunn's River Falls, you have to go on the falls. It's a must. And even if you don't go on the falls, like I had to be carrying their stuff. There were cheapies never wanted to pay for storage.
Guys, that's a lie. I would have paid for storage, but we're like, you have to save. That's another thing about traveling, guys. You have to economize.
But seriously, even if for whatever reason you can't climb the falls and you're going to be coming along with your group, always make sure you have that great camera because it was such an awesome view and you really have some serious awesome shots up there. So remember, a good camera must have climbing the falls.
Yeah, so that's why, as I said, guys, I will try to invest in another camera so that you can get multiple shots. You guys can see a lot more of the experience. But yeah, so guys, I'm just here chilling, just really enjoying the view. I mean, do you hear that? Do you hear the water, how it's rushing and it's just so exciting and just so explosive? Yo, Jamaica is such an awesome place. It's ridiculous. So remember, whenever you guys in Ochi, do not forget, I won't say it again, visit Dunn's River Falls, guys, alright? So guys, this is pretty much us. We're getting ready to leave now. Of course, as you can see, we changed off and we're about to search out our accommodation. I booked somewhere for us, probably 2 nights, So we're gonna do that. So as you know, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. You guys can see us in the next vlog if you want to see where we're going to go and where exactly we're going to be staying. So as always, love, nature, and adaptation. And don't forget, keep the link.